Hey guys, it's Motoman. Today's project is going to be installing this Auxbeam on my 2017 Toyota TRD. We're going to go with a behind the grill mount on this guy. It's going to be kind of a mix between checking out the mounts. It's going to be a dual review, one on the Auxbeam light itself and also on these nifty Rago light brackets. Decided to take out the R&D and buy some mounts. Somebody else already did the R&D on it, and you couldn't beat it for around $59 for a set of mounts. Figure out how to get into them here. So these mounts are built so that they bolt right into the factory bumper mounts and the right height to be centered right in the lower portion of the 4Runner grill. Comes with full instructions. Comes with some stickers, a business card. There we go. And the business card. And Dad's root beer. That sounds delicious right around now. And a nice thank you for your order. I like it. Packaged nicely. And I'll have to give this root beer a try. Before I get started here, I just want to say thank you to the Ronin Chronicle. He put up a video on YouTube pretty much with the same identical brackets and with the same type of light on his 2016. And so I'm going to be using his instructions. Okay, so you want to use a pick and get up underneath these guys like that. Pop it up, and that takes them out. Try to get this little tiny guy in there. That's one way to get it out. So, note to self, you can push down or you can pop out. Oh. Alright. And we'll grab this guy back. Alright. So that's not one. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it looks like we're going to have 13 of these guys. There's that piece. Alright, I believe we save that guy and that guy for the very last. Now we're going to go underneath. I guess to make this a proper installation video, so far we have our picks here to pop those out. You need a 10mm socket, and I got a couple of wrenches here for the tighter spots, and then I got an impact here, 1/4 inch impact with a 10mm on it to make it quick. Well, that's it for all the bottom screws, so we're going to go to the wheel well next. Okay, so on this guy, he was just up there, and there's a little tiny lever, I don't know if you can see that right there, that you just need to push in and it releases that guy. Now, how to get the wheel well here to release, I'm not sure. Alright, after going back over the video, there was one more bolt that I forgot right there. Alright, same things. Same bolts as on the passenger side. We're going to do on the driver's side. You got one right up in here. Take a look. There we go. And we can get up there to the light. Oh, let's get some light on this guy. And again, oh, water in there. Alright, so fog light's disconnected. Alright, now that I got the other side off, I understand how this goes together. Let's get it to separate. There we go. Okay, now it's loose. Okay, so break her loose. Alright, the other side. Alright. Okay, so now we got to get the remaining ones under the hood here. There's one there, and there's one there, and then we've got to get this guy right here, and then that should be it. Alright, let's get after it. As I'm taking this apart, everything that's come off the top of the truck I've put on the bench over here, and then everything underneath the vehicle I left them on each side so I know where they go. Because of the awkward weight when you pull this thing off, it's going to want to flip in your hands. I put these blankets down to cushion it. Don't forget these four. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, she's off. I wish I would have got my 5000K fog lights or my yellow fog lights, but I don't think they'll be that difficult to replace, and you won't have to take the whole bumper off again. But alright, there she is, ready to go. That's the one that's going to go there, and that one is going to go on that side. Need to remove this guy here as well. There we go. Alright, now we can move this guy around, and we'll have to make a cut as well to support that. Alright, doing some test fitting here on the brackets, and comes with these guys here. But those do not fit through there, which kind of had an idea that was going to happen, so we're going to go ahead and ream this out on the drill press. And the Ronin Chronicle said that it's got to go all the way back, so we're just going to put the hole back there as far back as it'll go. Alright, I'm going to use the Dremel to cut the line out of those ram air pieces. I did double thickness on this guy. I don't know if that'll work, but I figured we need to remove material, not just split it. So I'm going to give a double disc a try. Okay, I'm going to run it up underneath this cowl because I'm able to get zip ties through there, back up through there, and then follow this wiring harness right through there, and then we'll bring it out somewhere back in there. Got a little what the hell would I call it? Lithium battery for my drone. It's kind of past its life, so see if we can light this thing off. First thing will be daytime running lights. Lights. That is the daytime running lights on the Auxbeam. Back to normal headlights and the Auxbeam. All spots, no diffusers in. It's got some good length. That's over a mile away.